Hey guys, welcome back. I'm harvesting our sweet potatoes today. So these guys had grown absolutely crazy. I spent this morning trimming these back so I could at least get in the bed. These vines had grown all the way up into the asparagus on both sides, up into the fence. They were everywhere, so I needed to clean those up. I did take all that and feed it to the chickens. So we've got a compost pile in each one of our chicken coops out in the field, and so those guys will enjoy those. The young tender leaves on here are edible. We don't usually cook or eat these, but they are edible. But today my main goal is to get the sweet potatoes out. So let's see what these guys look like. So I'm going to try and pull up this first plant here if I can get to it. And it's always a little bit of work to get through the vines. Plus I have the irrigation lines in here. I've got to be careful not to pull up or break my irrigation lines, my little holders for these. So let's pull this one up if we can, see what we have. Oh my goodness, that is a sweet potato. Very nice. Very nice sweet potato, looking really good. So I'm gonna go through the bed, get all these cleaned out, and we'll set them out so that they can cure for a couple of weeks, and then they will be ready to enjoy. But I hope that they all look as good as these. Wow, that big old long weird neck on that one, but still nice sweet potatoes, looking good. They're absolutely amazing that you can grow food like this basically from starting with a slip. So we'll take a sweet potato and set it in a jar, and then it'll just grow a little vine, and we'll plant the little vines just like this, and it turns into that. So it's pretty amazing. So this whole bed is full of sweet potatoes. I'm going to have to dig through here carefully, make sure I get them all. If you leave any roots from the sweet potato at all, they will come back again. So some of them are small, you can always expect that, but still not bad. Look pretty good. So you really have to dig through here carefully, dig around the plants and dig around the roots. They're typically not real deep, but they are nice. I mean, look at that guy. Isn't that pretty? Absolutely love sweet potatoes. We eat them for breakfast, we can eat them for lunch, but I really do enjoy these for breakfast. So, very nice. I'm happy with this harvest. And so, they have been growing here all spring. I'm sorry, all summer. They've been growing. We planted them in late spring. We're a little bit late getting the slips in, and we're expecting some colder weather. It won't freeze yet, but we're expecting some colder weather probably this week. So they're saying we may have some temperatures. We may have some temperatures down in the low 30s, and since we're away from town, sometimes it gets a little colder here. So I like to get these harvested right before the first frost. We'll get them so they can dry and so they can cure for a couple of weeks. They do have to cure. That develops the sweetness in the potatoes. Usually 2 to 3 weeks, but with this many potatoes, they'll last us probably through most of the winter. Hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you'll hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell so you can get notifications when we put out new videos. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.